Okay, this is going to be kind of rough. Traffic noise and all that, but... Oh yeah, I'm going to throw my fucking phone on the ground too. That's custom right there. I'll set this where it landed. I hope I don't break it. So speaking of rough, I ordered the wrong pump. So then I got lazy and then shot happened, and then I ordered another pump. And I'm gonna put the pump and the hose in now. I've let some water sit in here for a while to hopefully get rid of some of the chlorine. The fish tank water's still mostly up here. Some of it leaked down there. And let's get the pump in and put the hose on and stuff like that. And I don't know, just play along with me if you will. Oh yeah, this hose fucking reeks. Like, it's awful. It smells like communism and hate. This was just the cheapest shit I could get on Amazon, and it's really living up to it, because that label is it's leaving all kinds of bullshit on here. That's lovely. So, I don't know. Maybe I'll come in through the top. Nah. It'll be easier to go up this way. And then out. Like so, maybe? I don't want to make that turn. Put a kink in it. Kink in it. There we go. Leave a little bit hanging off there. And I don't know, I'll cut it down to there, and that'll be a little bit of extra. Super precise measuring. Okie dokie, I got a hose. I think this is a pump. I haven't even opened it. Hopefully it's not that dildo. Whew. It's a pump. That was close. Instructions and shit. Alright. I think I need this thing. That sucker goes in there. Is that the right size? Yep, that's right size. So, put this guy in there. Oh, this sucker wants to be grounded. Damn it. I mean, it is a submersible pump, so I should have known it wanted to be grounded. Have to put a brick on it or something, but it's not really sitting flat on the bottom, but it doesn't really matter because it's never going to suck the whole thing down all the way. I don't know. I'm going to get a grounded extension cord.